Yo, Andy Castro here for Munch Tours, and we're gonna get some Japanese curry today. Now, what in the heck is that? Well, you know your generic curry powder, which is like cumin, turmeric, chili powder, coriander seeds. That's kind of the base, and then you can add whatever you can to that, like nutmeg, and there's many variations. And how the hell did it end up in Japan? Well, in the 1800s, when England had a colony in India, there was ships over this spice mix, and you know, over time, just years and years go past, and it just gets more favorable by the Japanese. So we're here at Bungo Takeda Chicken Bar to get that traditional Japanese curry in this traditional restaurant style izakaya bar. Let's do it. Curry? Curry... Tori curry.
Karaage.
Hot plate curry. Iron. 7 iron. Okay. Awesome. This was very quick and good service. Cheers. This is gonna help in cooling down that spiciness, you see. So right away I think I can tell that this is more of an izakaya, which is kind of like a bar where you sit down and you order food, and it's all real snacky kind of bar food, which is funny that they have Japanese curry too. This nifty little iPad looking thing that's a menu, and you can pick what you like out of it. Oh, check it out, here it is. Oh, and right away I can smell it's curry. They just dropped it down. Ooh, big waft of curry. So I'm gonna first get the curry with the rice, see how it goes. Yeah, good. Tastes like curry. You know what? I was really concerned that it was gonna be sweet or a little too sweet. It's not. It just tastes. It's quite close to just an Indian curry, right? Which is awesome. I'm not big on sweets, much less with curry. Little tinge there. I mean, it's definitely not spicy enough for me, but for a lot of people it will just be enough spicy, but not for me. The rice is great, so fluffy, and you can definitely taste the individual beads of the rice. They definitely cooked it really good. They need to recommend me that rice cooker. Alright, now check this out. Talk about fusion. This is how you know it's not Indian curry. Like hot dogs, really? This is also the bar food element of this place. Like, yeah, let's make a curry. Let's just chuck some hot dogs in there. Yeah, no worries. Just, well, it's a first for me. Let's go. I mean, really, it's hard to find something that doesn't go well with curry, especially if it's meaty like a hot dog. So this time, you know what? It gets my thumbs up. Not my first pick, but it works. Somehow it works. Ooh, and it's definitely hot because of this plate. I really think they should do this more often. Just put curry in a hot plate. Great idea. Absolutely great idea. Going in with the chicken now and some of the onions. So this is more of a traditional vibe. Let's just go in. That's definitely more familiar, and you know what, if you would have given me a blind tasting with this one and an Indian curry, just with that mouthful, I probably wouldn't have been able to tell the difference. This to wash it down is the bomb. But these hot dogs, man, they're killing me. This is such a crack up, you know. At least it looks kind of pretty. So overall, definitely you can taste that it's like this generic curry powder where it's just, you know, let's put together a bit of a sauce and chuck a curry powder in there, and voila, you have curry. There's nothing out of the ordinary. There's no whole heap amount of spices in here. You can't see like peppercorns or anything like that. Super easy, just with a bit of onions. I mean, this is more like what you would make at home. I definitely can't complain about that. If it tastes like it came from home, you know, it's good. It really does the job. Well, that sums up this episode of Munch Tours, and hopefully you know a little bit about Japanese curry now and what you can expect if you're ever here. So if you like what you watch, hit the subscribe, maybe like, hit the bell notification, something or other. But I'll see you next time, hopefully. Andy Castro is out.